Hi, I would like to share a short review about Skil bench drill, which is 550 watts. Model number is 1360. I will tell couple of things about it and we will test it. And here it is. Quite big. And most important thing which I wanted to tell, that I was searching a bench drill which has no or very small free play on the shaft, on the axle. So I checked many of those bench drills which I could touch in the in local shops, and I found only this one which has very small free play, almost none. All others which I was touching had huge play even when they are new. So I selected this one, especially because of no free play on the axle. I am not a professional and I didn't had any kind of such bench drill in the past. This is the first one for me, but from what I saw in local shops, this looks quite good. It has big base plate with good metal. Also this part looks very strong. It includes this clamp, which is nice, but there is another downside, that for example it cannot take such metal like this, so only for small parts. It's about 5.5 centimeters. It includes laser, which is also nice, and seems it works quite well. Lightning. It has such kind of handle to move this plate up and down. You can move it up and down and then lock it with the other handle. And here is the speed, rotation speed table. Minimum is 510 and maximum 2430 RPM. I'm mostly interested in minimum speed, and this is not very good. I got info that metal drilling, lower speed is even better. This is another table with the speeds and depending on what are you drilling, wood, aluminium or steel. And here is a belt inside here, and what I didn't like, that those pulleys are from plastic. I do not like it, but maybe it will, I hope it will last for long. And here is another interesting information. Weight is 21 kilogram, and chunk moving up and down 50 millimeters. And this one is important. Nobody is telling you that nobody is telling in the shop. but the maximum size of what I'm drilling can be 125 millimeters. I will show when it is important. Yes, the maximum drill bit is 13 millimeters, from 1.5 to 13 millimeters. And about this size, okay, I will show what you should know before buying. So let's say if you are drilling here, everything is okay. But if you want to drill somewhere here, you may have problems. You see, and I cannot reach the center of this disc, because this maximum size is 125 millimeters. So if the things which are you planning to drill are bigger, you should consider this before buying. It has a stopper. You can regulate when it stops. So as I told, metal looks very strong, and even this part looks very strong from good metal. Let's check laser, if it is set correctly to the point. Looks like laser needs to be adjusted. There are two covers, like here, in this side and in another side. There are two lasers, and if you remove the cover, you will see the laser. Let's try to move it. And when you rotate the laser, the line is moving. Okay, I will try to rotate it, and you see, the line is moving. So that way I will try to set both lasers to the point which was drilled. And it looks much more better now. Not ideal, but will be good. Let's leave it. And let's try to drill. This piece of metal is about 6 millimeters, and the drill bit is 5 millimeters. I will try to lubricate it with VW40. Let's try. Okay, 5 mm drill. Looks very good. I was drilling on lowest RPM, which is 510 rotations per minute. Now drill bit is 7 mm, and let's try. What you can tell. Looks really good. I just never worked with this kind of tool, so I'm a bit afraid that metal piece will move if it is clamped incorrectly, and drill bit will break, and something bad will happen. So, as I never worked with this kind of tool. And let's try 10.5 millimeters drill bit. It was much harder, but still I saw some good pieces of spiral, and I saw that drill bit slipped from the chunk. Might be I didn't tighten it well, but in general, for me it looks okay. Okay, I showed everything what I could. Sorry that I do not have tools, correct tools to measure free play on the shaft, like a micrometer or another advanced tools, but for me it looks good. I still not feeling any free play on the axle. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks, bye.